Greetings, everyone. We are here in Canoga Park for the second game of your opening night here in your Pinoy Ballers SFV. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man. You know who I am. And the opening tip off the matchup between the Angels and the Chargers. If you've noticed, teams are named after football teams here in the NFL. So this is the crossover cup. This is the second season for year 2026, and here we go for the opening tip-up. Chargers wearing white and Angels wearing dark jersey. As we go, our referees for today, referee Jonathan Smythe and referee Kyle Lewis. And they will try to hit the first basket for the Angels, and that was an easy basket for Mike Zalin. Zalin or Zalun? I'm not sure, no? Zalin ba? Zalin. And 3-0. That was a quick shot from Zalun. Double team. The zone, making it work for them. Jano Santos. And look at how this guy moves so quick. Oh, with a push. And battle for the loose was as a scramble. Kaplana was able to get that ball. That was Mike Zalun. No, Mike Zalun. So just a correction for our viewers. He's playing his first season here in Pinoy Ballers SFV. So full court pressure right now here. Able to escape, kicks it out. Robert Tolentino, one of the mythical five members of the previous season against the double team. That was an easy basket from team captain Joel Boado as he takes it strong underneath the basket. Our panel for today, Abtin Bigdoli, thank you for your service. And of course, Art Lacre, together with Mike Villaseran, and of course, Ludwig Van, your MC host, official voice. And here comes the attack. Manuel and put back right there from and Dencio Enriquez. The dynamic duo, hindi talaga naghihiwalay itong si Dencio Enriquez at si Jano Santos. But yeah, but they got that chemistry working for them. They won championships together, so that's difficult to find no, that chemistry. Parang marriage. Talaga mahirap hanapin, kumbaga, mahirap hanapin yung ganyang connection, no? They find Kaplana with a challenge from Manuel, and it doesn't matter for Kaplana as he spots up, lighting it up, making it a 7-2 advantage from the Angels, starting strong here in the first quarter. Well, we know, no? Between Jano Santos and Dencio Enriquez, they know how to come back from leads, no? Team Alcances, their third scorer as we speak. That guy can be a spark plug also for their team. 7-2, they kick it out. Dencio Enriquez, they let him shoot. Was that a mistake, or they will try to challenge his shooting as they find Mike Zalun again? Zalun, 4 points under his belt, making it a 9-2 lead with 7 minutes and 23 in the early goings to the first quarter. Well, if the defense don't tighten up here in the first half, then it will be a double-digit lead as Teddy misses. If I'm not mistaken, that's Teddy, right? Huh? Alex? Alex, what's his last name? And no go as Angels all over the floor here. 11-2. The Chargers, top of the key. Jano Santos, no clear shot. Finds Alcances. Well, the defense suffocating on them, no? With the lead, and Alcances uses that lefty J, making it a 7-point lead. 11-4. Boado surveying the floor, doesn't use the screen, finds Plana again. That's his sweet spot. However, this time it comes up short. Now a chance, however, from behind. Zalun making the difference. This time it was rattled out. 11-4. And Team Alcances, no good. They battle for the loose ball. It will go to the hands of the Angels. This guy is Teddy, okay. Teddy, in the lineup, he doesn't have the last name, no, so we'll just call him Teddy. Ooh, what a pass. Tolentino pulls back, finds the cut from Teddy. No opening, the double team. And again, Zalun. But Dencio Enriquez from behind. 3-on-1 situation. Dencio Enriquez will be fouled by Tolentino, and we will have to earn it to the line, or we'll have to earn it in the line. Foul on Tolentino. That's his first personal foul on Robert Tolentino with 5 minutes and 29 remaining here in the first quarter. Well, this is where you set the tone. No? In your first game, that's how you feel out your teammates. That's how you get your chemistry working. So you gotta get that tone, no, for your team. By the way, if you are here within the area, Los Angeles County, in Canoga Park, you can drop by, holla at us, or maybe just watch us on YouTube. SoCal Ballers, or sorry, Pinay Ballers SFB. That's the other. SoCal Ballers 21 is my other streaming platform. Back to the action, Teddy, one on one. Tolentino, ball fake. Jaina still on him. Can't shake him off. And it will be a turnover, a chance to close the gap for the Chargers. Chargers is being led by their team captain, Mark Manuel, at the helm in the post. Vert Salvador. The challenge from Tolentino, and good defense, better offense, making it a 4-point lead as Bert Tolentino with the Euro step. Ooh, that's a turnover, and Robert Tolentino didn't like the call from our referee Kyle Lewis, brandishing his hair. No, I wish I have that kind of hair, but unfortunately, Father Time is calling me. 11 to 7, 3 minutes and 55. As De La Hoya is in the ball game as well. Ooh, Salvador body to body collision there, and Kaplana, known for his physicality, but of course, Kaplana, a very nice guy, no? Outside the court, but inside the court, you don't want to mess with the captain, Kaplana. Substitution. Dencho Enriquez is in the ball game as well. Manuel will sit down as they will use a small ball lineup here. Salvador finds Enriquez. Jano Santos finally, basket is in as he connects. Now it's 10 to 11. Angels just up by one as the momentum is swinging on the side of the Chargers. With 2 minutes and 55 remaining here, the small ball lineup has been effective. And who's back in the ball game? The Lucky Charm. They call him the Lucky Charm. Condi Banal. Uy, naghang yung ating, I don't know what happened here. Jungo, our streaming is hanging. There's latency. Where's Jungo? Oh, you're here, but unfortunately, our coverage became green. I don't know what happened. Oh, we're back. We're back because of the internet connection. Okay, okay. That was just a little cloudy in terms of the weather forecast. Back to the ball game as he misses. Okay, but it made our it made it clearer, bro, Abtin. It made it clearer. Look at our coverage. It became more clear. It became more HD. Foul will be called as Jano Santos in the line. Well, they came out alive ever since Condi Banal checked in the ball game, no? He's the lucky charm. 4 out of 5 championship under his belt, no? Wow. You gotta get that man in your team, no? Unless unless you're Apple Laos, no? If you're Apple Laos and your teammates with Condi Banal, you're not gonna win the championship. We are tied at 11. But as they say, it's not forged by luck, but rather by hard work. 12 to 11, Chargers up by 1. Good game, Aaron Castillo. I think he's our player of the game for the first matchup. I'm not sure though. Boado, pump fake, and it hits his foot. Now on the run, steaming ahead of everyone. De La Hoya, Jano Santos, and it will remain with the Chargers. The Chargers up by 1. Well, Condi Banal, no? The streak continues for the lucky one. Well, of course, Condi Manal will say it's all hard work. There's no luck. Condi Banal with the challenge from the commissioner. Too strong, Condi Banal. Missing that shot. Boado unable to control the ball and miscommunication between Teddy and Joel Boado. Boado used the ball, gets the shooter's bounce, and they got the lead back for the Angels, 13-12. As pure hard work for Boado. Nice game, Tony Lu. You're the man. 13-12. Boado on the line, and he misses the bonus shot as Salvador tracks it down. Here comes the run and gun offense. Jano Santos has come out alive here. No shooter's bounce as it hits the front rim. Rebound taken away by Eronimo, and that ends the first quarter. Angels up by 1, 13-12 against the Chargers. We'll be right back with the second quarter. This is Pinoy Ballers SFB, Ludwig Van, Magic Man. You know who I am. And we'll be right back. Don't miss us so much. What an opening night here in Canoga Park for your Pinoy Ballers SFB. This is the Premier League. This is the Thursday League. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, and you're watching the Crossover Cup second game between the Angels and the Chargers. Here we go. Well, what has happened there in the first quarter now? Angels roaring with the lead, however, Chargers starting slow, however, they were able to come back. Here comes Alex, top of the key, and bang for Alex. The bang and the bucket. And the Chargers up by 2, 15-13. As Mike Zalun, corner 3, they let him shoot. Well, you don't let Tolentino shoot. No, that guy is a high percentage shooter. Here comes Alex all the way. He misses point blank, but De La Hoya was able to recover it. Short on that one. Alex, despite the numbers, Angels unable to control the leather as De La Hoya. Well, that guy is deadly from the perimeter. No, he has that range. He's able to hit that. As the Chargers up by 5, 18-13. And now the momentum swinging on the side of the Chargers, as despite starting very slow here in this ball game, they have found their rhythm now. Well, the defense got to tighten up here. Otherwise, they will control this ball game. Dencho Enriquez as the give and go. De La Hoya. Well, the good thing here about the Chargers, everyone is contributing, no? You got De La Hoya contributing in the defensive end. You've got Alex who is helping him out. Salvador with a turnaround from De La Hoya. De La Hoya fighting for that loose ball, and De La Hoya able to recover. Enriquez against Zalun. One-on-one, single coverage. Able to escape against now Tolentino. June go on him now. Able to still. Pula Houdini kicks it out to De La Hoya, and Adrian De La Hoya this time in and out. But they got, look at the hustle play of the Chargers from Dencho Enriquez and Zalun making it look easy, putting everyone on notice. 3 guys defending him, but he just shoves them away. 20-15. That was a quick answer. Zalun, just that calm demeanor, no? Well, that's an interesting matchup between Enriquez and Zalun. Both guys have the calm demeanor. And De La Hoya is on fire here in the second quarter. Well, they let him shoot, and he is just gunning them. 22-15, 7-point lead. Ooh, taking it that way, and Junko with the foul. Refs will not let it slip away. Take that away. You're hitting the computer. And the shouting up as Jungo will be called for the foul. 7-point lead being led by the Chargers. Jano Santos again, they will let him shoot. Fresh off the bench, and Mark Manuel will go to the line. Well, that size advantage is prevalent. If you don't box out Mark Manuel, he will just pick those baskets like a cherry, no? Or just picking those trash or picking grapes out of the vine. Maybe you're hungry, it's dinner time already. No? Uy, may nagbabasag, ano yan? Okay, back to the ball game. As Manuel makes the ball game, makes the shot rather. Again, yes. I think it was a basket, right? He made the shot, right? No, 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 sorry. And Manuel makes the second shot anyway. An 8-point lead being enjoyed by the Chargers behind Jano Santos, and the teamwork of the Chargers baseline drive as Joel Boado pumping in midair and adjusting. 2 points for Boado. For Boado. It's Joel Boado or Mark Boado? Mark Boado. And the turnover for the Chargers. Corner. And traveling violation for Jano Santos. Now the defense making it work for the Angels. Joel Boado, yes, Joel Boado. No? Sorry. Robert Tolentino sizing his defender. He got the size advantage against Michael. Okay. Zalun. Tolentino. And Tolentino. Bank is open in the evening for Robert Tolentino. 23-20. Just 3 points separating both teams. Jano Santos top of the key. They swing that ball around to Alex. Alex too strong. They tap it away as Manuel finds that tap to Jano Santos. Santos, middle, Alex. Almost a steal from Teddy. Looking for his option. Finds Jano Santos. And that made me speechless as Jano Santos floats that shot. And you can see that it was just ringless, no? It hits all net. 26-20. 6-point lead by the Chargers. Well, you gotta make it difficult for Jano Santos, no? And a quick answer for Robert Tolentino. 6 points here in the last 2 minutes for Robert Tolentino. Well, that's one of the reasons he's the mythical 5 of this tournament, no? He can shoot that ball. He has that range. Floater, Jano Santos. This has been a shootout between Jano Santos and Robert Tolentino. Mike Zalon against the smaller Conti Banal, and Conti Banal will give up that foul. 28-23 as free throws will be rewarded to Zalon. Free throws will be rewarded to Zalon. Well, that's the best you can do, no? If you're Condi Manal, maybe physical, try to be physical on him and try to foul him. Otherwise, force the turnover, which is kind of difficult because Mike Zalon has the moves. As Kaplana in the ball game. Well, that's gonna be a fascinating inside matchup between Plana and Manuel, no, in the paint. It's gonna be post-up moves after post-up moves. Of course, you also have Geronimo as well. And Manuel almost losing the leather. Jano Santos behind the back dribbling, being bothered. Alex sees an opening, finds Adrian De La Hoya. Adrian, this time it hits back rim, but Manuel was there for the recovery. Safety, Jano Santos, too strong. And Kaplana throws a wild pass, and Dencho Enriquez was there to receive it. Enriquez, squeezing himself inside, finding all angles. Geometrically speaking, that is Dencho Enriquez finding all angles. Robert Tolentino with a challenge. Good defense there by Dencho Enriquez as he was able to put that hand up. 2-on-1 situation. Enriquez, Adrian De La Hoya with the finger roll, and frustration foul will be called on him against Teddy. Angels down by 6, Chargers up. And full court pressure now. And Alex able to tap it away to Jano Santos with 2 minutes and 12 and gets the shooter's bounce for Jano Santos with his signature floater as he makes that move. Alex one-on-one on Teddy. Tolentino finding Jungo against Manuel. Pulls back. Navigating, exploring his options. One-on-one at the middle. Goes hard to the basket and foul will be slapped as Boado will go to the line and shoot two. What a matchup so far. The Chargers, well, their team is pretty balanced, no? And what I like about the Chargers team is everyone is contributing, no? De La Hoya is providing some points for them. You got Bert Salvador in the paint. You got Mark Manuel helping out with the hustle plays. So Angels gotta work harder, no? They need to work harder. They got they got some bright sparks there, no? They got Mike Zalon, they got Robert Tolentino for some shooting. And that was a steal from Robert Tolentino. And of course you got Caplana who can be a threat in the post as Tolentino too strong on that attempt. A chance for the Chargers to increase the lead with 50 seconds left before we go to the halftime. Enriquez waits for his teammates as they try to reset the half court. 7-point lead separating both teams with 40 seconds left here. Jano Santos using the clock on his side. Enriquez. Caplana goes back to his position. De La Hoya catch and shoot. Position by Jungo, but Bert Salvador was there. Jano Santos floats it in the air. Boado controlling it. Can they make this final shot? 15 seconds left. Tolentino with the runner. Back to Teddy. Teddy trying to sell the call. However, reps won't give that.
Timeout clock. Timeout clock. 2 seconds.
2 seconds left as for the Angels will have a final shot with 2 seconds left. They were able to call a timeout. 2 seconds left. 2 seconds left. Baseline throw, man-to-man defense. Boado lets it fly off the mark. As we end the second quarter, it's a 7-point lead by the Chargers, 32-25 against the Angels. We'll be right back with the second half. This is Ludwig Van Magic Man for Pinoy Ballers SFV Crossover Cup. We'll be right back. Back to the ball game. Please come back. Green screen. Where's Jungo? The green screen is back. Pero dito is showing, I don't know. Although it's connected. I don't know. Jungo, he's playing, so we cannot disturb him. It's not showing. Green screen, Mike Zalun, corner. So we'll just listen to my voice. He made it, yeah. Team Alcances. What's happening? What's happening? No, no, it's not there. It's sorry. And Alex. It's gone. Gone with the wind. Tolentino will do just a live thing until Jungo comes back here. Tolentino lets it fly, and Tolentino drains it from the corner pocket, knocking it down 35 to 30 until Jungo comes back. Alex uses the screen, finds Salvador. Salvador, quick response from Vert Salvador. 38 to 30. For the meantime, baseline drive. Go. On the free throw line is Jungo. I hope the green screen is. Oh, there you go. We're back. Finally, we're back. There were some momentarily technical issues, but since Jungo was on the free throw line, he was able to make things happen by his aura. 32 to 38. 6-point game, and they will slow the tempo down as this has been a run and gun offense so far. Change his mind mid-air. Alex with a challenge from Tolentino, comes up short. Rebound taken away by Jungo. Jungo on the run. Tolentino wasn't ready, and Alex, active hands for Alex. Well, you gotta appreciate having a guy like Alex on your team, no, because he provides that energy, especially on the defensive end, and forcing that turnover. Alex setting the table. The screen from Manuel, middle. Salvador unable to bend, but battle for the loose ball, and still scrambling. Chaos on the floor. Finds Team Alcances. Alcances tapping it back to his teammate. Salvador Alcances. Surprised he was open. Gets the elbow J lefty and hits front rim. Now on the run is the Angels trying to close in the gap. Tolentino. Bang for Robert Tolentino. Making it a 3-point game. 35 to 38. Robert Tolentino is on fire here in the third quarter. He got the beat according to the audience. And forcing the turnover, Robert Tolentino, his 8-point here in the third quarter alone. 8-0 run made by the Angels. And timeout. And timeout will be called by the Chargers. They need to talk things over as they're just up by 1, 38 to 37. Robert Tolentino is unstoppable. We'll be right back after this timeout. Condi Banal doing a dance again for the Condi Banal. One more. Oh, there you go. We are apologies for our viewers for that dance, but anyway, Condi Banal, no? If you have not yet followed his Facebook, please make sure that you do with his food tasting content. Okay, back to the ball game. Serious mode. Business is on session. 38 to 37. The Chargers bring back the big guns. Jano Santos and Dencio Enriquez. Well, they pulled out the panic button right away as Mark Manuel, no convert that time, and Teddy embracing that ball like his girlfriend, no? 6 minutes and 17. Teddy crosses the timeline. Finds Tolentino. Tolentino his 11th point. Wow, for Tolentino, what a performance from Robert Tolentino. 11 points alone here in the third quarter. Now Angels have a 2-point lead, 40-38. Robert Tolentino, they gotta do something on that guy, no? He's been lighting up and torching them from long distance as well as inside the line. And they tap it. Condi Banal. He's on a streak as of the moment. Finds, De La Hoya blocked by Zalon. But he was able to recover it, however, with 5 minutes and 38. Jano Santos. No fear, no hesitation on that attempt for Jano Santos as they grab the lead back. 41-40. Zalon. Mike sizing his defender. Finds Boado. Speeds up his way with the runner as Joel Boado leading the charge as he goes berserk inside. 42-41, 5 minutes and 10. Santos, the screen from Manuel. Middle. The zone defense on him. The spot, the middle, back to Manuel. They tap it, almost losing it, but Geronimo was there to recover. 4 minutes and 57. They slow down the tempo as Condi Banal trying to bother him. And it was a backward violation. Condi Banal. And some clarifications from our referees. Almost a turnover, but you gotta credit the defense of Condi Banal. They're almost pulling a steal there. Zalon. Corner. Boado, the two-man action. Bumping and grinding. Kicks it out. Nope. Turnover. As Jano Santos. Well, as we mentioned, they pulled out their dynamic duo back in the ball game. Elbow jumper. That's his spot. But Enriquez, unfortunately, misses that J. Tolentino, 11 points in the third quarter. Finds Zalon. Zalon comes up short. Well, that's the thing, no? If you have a guy who's on fire, you gotta contribute. You gotta help out your main man scoring, no? As Jano Santos high off the glass for Jano Santos, and now Chargers back with a lead, 43-42. Like as we mentioned, Tolentino has been the only scorer so far. They need someone to step up, and that someone could be Zalon or could be Boado. Just someone that could help Robert Tolentino, because Robert Tolentino is just one man. Remember, this is a 5-man game. Crossover. Santos can shake off his defender. Zalon bothering him. Zalon puts his position against Enriquez. Smart play, however, can't get an advantage. Tolentino, 11 points. Can he increase it? 14 points in the third quarter for Robert Tolentino. That guy is on a rampage. 45-43, 3 minutes and 11 remaining here in the opening week of the Pinoy Ballers SFB. 14 points in the third quarter alone. What a performance. Dominating performance from Tolentino as Manuel uses his size advantage. Got the piece of the hand. And foul will be called on Boado. But good challenge there. But just Manuel overpowers everyone as he goes to the line. 45-43 with 2 minutes and 45 remaining here in the third quarter. As everybody goes silent with a free throw. And Manuel makes it. And he makes 1 out of 2. Well, as we can say here for Chargers now, they got a complete lineup. They got for every position. They got Jano Santos at center. You got Mark Manuel. You got wing guys who can score like Dencho Enriquez and Tim Alcances. And off the bench, energizers like Condi Banal. So, this is a complete stack team, no? Substitution. Bert Salvador in the ball game for Mark Manuel. Small ball lineup here for the Chargers. 45-44 at the middle. Strategizing. Zalon puts 3 guys on the map, but look at Plana coming out of nowhere. Tolentino, 14 points on his belt here in the second half alone. Boado takes it closer. Runner. Yes, Joel Boado. And making it a 3-point game. Joel Boado, 47-44. Well, he could be the second leading scorer here if he steps up for the Angels here. 47-44. They go at the post. Jano Santos, they let him shoot. Big mistake. However, Vert Salvador tracking it down. Alcances, fresh shot clock for them. Oh, I forgot, we got no shot clock. And Salvador pulls the trigger, tying the ball game up at 47 with 53 seconds left. What an opening night so far. All the teams performing well this evening. They're all pumped up. For whatever reason, they're all pumped up. Though this is the Thursday opening. Well, you gotta make a statement here in your opening matchup. No, all teams have the talent. All teams have the the ingredients as we speak. But you gotta set the tone. You gotta set that advantage to your opponents. No, the psychological advantage. Robert Tolentino thought about it. Gives it up to Zalun. Zalun, too strong back rim, and 17 seconds left. Team Alcances, yes sir. No board, no problem. 49 to 47. Team Alcances fresh off the bench. 5 seconds left. And Teddy nails it from long distance, 50 to 49. And we end the third quarter as Angels regain the lead, 50 to 49 after that wild second half. We'll be right back with the final quarter. This is your Pinoy Ballers, SFB, Ludwig Van Magic Man. You know who I am. We are here in the fourth and final quarter here in your Pinoy Ballers SFB Crossover Cup. This is the second conference. Jano Santos with a challenge from Zalun comes up short. And Jun Go taking away that rebound. And the Angels smelling blood here. And can they take over this fourth and final quarter? Ooh, good play. Jun Go finding the cut from Teddy. Two-man action there, connection. As that was just an unselfish play. Now, Jungo recognizing the open player, and that was just well executed. Excellence in execution, as they say. Comes up short. 52 to 49, 3-point game. Can the Angels increase it, or will the Chargers turn the tide around? And some communication between the referees. By the way, our referees for today is Jonathan Smythe and Kyle Lewis, who is our officials for today. As they say, the ref's call will always be final. Our panel for today, we got Abtin Bigdoli, Ludwig Van, Mike Villasaran, and of course Art Lacre. Back to the action at the middle. It's Boado, no opening for him, decides to pull back corner, challenging the bigger Manuel, and hits all board, but Plana there at the paint. It's just too strong on his shot. Santos, Alcances, in and out for Enriquez, and they're struggling here. 3-point game. Boado, corner, pump fake, baseline move. Jungo, and Jungo nails it from 15 feet. 54 to 49. 5-point game. Now Angels feeling some bit of momentum here. But can the Chargers convert here? We shall all find out. Alcances left wide open. No one to bother him, and he will make it. Making it a 3-point game. And you don't let Team Alcances shoot that. No, he with the wide open look, someone has to challenge that. Someone has to, at least bother him perhaps, or at least make it difficult, no? Just don't give easy baskets on him. 54 to 51. Well, it's easier said than done, especially if the defense collapses. And battle for the loose ball. They were able to recover it as Boado taking it strong to the hole, goes hard to the basket, but Plana with a second chance opportunity here. They go at the post. Look at the ball movement. Everybody touching that ball. And whoa, with the shout. The shout helped out a little bit. Wow! It helped out. Definitely, Definitely it helped sell the call. And free throws will go for Mike Zalon. 54 to 51. That has been an experiment that I've been observing so far now. If you add a little bit of shouting in your shot, then maybe you can get the call. Maybe, just maybe. And Tolentino is back in the ball game. 54 to 51. 6 minutes and 40 remaining here in the ball game. Single possession ball game separating both teams. As Jungo with a little bit of the veteran move and gets the shooter's bounce. 56 to 51. Jungo showing who's your daddy now. 56 to 51. 6 minutes and 23. With the dribble drive, and Manuel will go to the line and shoot a free throw. Mark Manuel, that height advantage. 5-point lead. With 6 minutes left here in the fourth quarter. Chargers down by 4. Every possession counts from here on then. Geronimo is in the ball game. Okay. Geronimo is there to check in, to add ceiling, perhaps to make it difficult for Mark Manuel, because Mark Manuel has been in the interior, has been bullying his way in the paint. Tolentino gets a flyby, and Robert Tolentino, just 16 points in the second half alone for Robert Tolentino. I haven't counted the first half points, but definitely I know it's 16 points in the second half for Robert Tolentino. No? Alex lets it fly. Too strong. Battle for the loose ball. It will go to the hands of Teddy. 6-point lead by the Chargers. Tolentino has been on a mission here. Tolentino, now Alex is on him. Well, at least the defense starting to be woken up here in the fourth quarter against Tolentino, because Tolentino has been busting them wide open here. Has been dominating, perhaps. Dominating is just an understatement. Look at Tolentino, and Tolentino 18 points in the second half alone. What a dominant performance for the mythical 5 member. It's just unstoppable at this point, no? Well, you gotta play the best that you could, no? Maybe put a bigger body on him, maybe like a Mark Manuel, and they were able to convert on that. Maybe put Mark Manuel, or maybe put like Alex on him to make it difficult for him, no, when he does make his move. Maybe Dencho, that's that they're saying here. That's a suggestion. Let's see. 54 to 64 minutes and 12. Corner. And they let Teddy shoot. Almost a mistake, and they were able to get away with that one. Dencho Enriquez able to save it. Jano Santos with a challenge from Zalun. No good. But they were able to get a second chance. Gets the pump fake. And Adrian De La Hoya still continues to contribute off the bench here, making it a 4-point game with 3 minutes and 43 remaining. As the Angels will call a timeout here. They're up by 4, 60 to 56. What a ball game. One timeout left. One timeouts left for both teams. We'll be right back after this timeout. Pero anyway, back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 38, 60 to 56. Time is on the side of the Angels, and they are trying to freeze it out. Well, they need to force it out. Maybe try to put some hustle plays, hustle defense here. As Steady holding on to that ball. Boado. 3 minutes and 20. Well, this is a crucial possession. Let's see. Find Steady, and he will go to the line and will shoot free throw. And foul will be called on Dencho Enriquez. On the line is Teddy. So we'll just call him Teddy for now, because in the lineup it doesn't have a last name, just Teddy. Teddy misses. Yep, he missed. That was too strong for Teddy. With 2 minutes and 37, we have a tight one down the wire ball game, and Teddy makes one out of two, 61 to 56. Now they need to convert here as Alex speeds up the tempo, kicks it out to Jano Santos. Jano Santos with the challenge from Kaplana, and Jano Santos making it a 2-point game. Don't be surprised, 61 to 59, 2 minutes and 14. Everyone is awake now. Full court pressure as De La Hoya picks up Boado. Boado trying to make a steal, and Jano Santos ahead of steam, and Jano Santos ties the ball game at 61. Last 2 minutes, pressure-packed possession as Vert Salvador. Jano Santos is on fire. Block from Zalun, and he will get a piece of the hand with 1 minute and 47. Jano Santos, quick 5 points. Just amazing. This is where amazing happens for Jano Santos. What a play. Well, this guy has taken over. Welcome to the Jano Santos show in the last 2 minutes. They can grab the lead. Jano Santos misses as everybody got quiet. Everybody was holding their breath there. Even the free throw shooter. One more for Jano Santos. This could be a difference. 1 minute and 9. What a ball game. You are here only on the first game. This is the first game of our double header. He misses. Jano Santos, the pressure creep. Adrian De La Hoya for the lead, and Kaplana pulls one down with 53 seconds left. Tolentino, game on the line. Teddy goes down hard on the floor. Foul will be on De La Hoya. What a turn of events here as De La Hoya puts him down the floor, but Teddy will go to the line. And this is the free throws, 49 seconds left. The question now is, does he have the nerves of steel, or will he creep in with the pressure? 49 seconds left. He makes the first free throw, 62 to 61. Manuel is being reinforced for rebounding purposes together with Dencho Enriquez. Whew. Golden opportunity for the Chargers. Well, maybe the Angels have a guardian angel on them that possession, because they missed 3 shots for the Chargers. 3 attempts, and even the free throws of Jano Santos, which he usually makes, no? 63 to 61. And timeout will be called by the Chargers. This ain't over, folks. We'll be right back. No more timeout for Chargers, no more timeout for Chargers. Back to the ball game. 49 seconds left. This is a very important possession for both teams. Can they convert or can they force a turnover? Alex lets it go. And Dencho Enriquez comes up short. And Plana misses that shot for Dencho Enriquez. Plana, 2 crucial rebounds for Cap Plana here in the fourth quarter.
2 to give.
Well, Plana's been playing above his height here, especially against the bigger Mark Manuel. No? He has been stepping up big time for Cap Plana. Zalun, they're using the clock and foul will be given up. And Plana will go to the line. A chance. So they're not yet in the penalty, So 63 to 61. Manuel will sit down here. 28 seconds. Vert Salvador. Pressure is on both sides. Well, if they make a basket here, this is over as Jano Santos gives up. And Boado will go to the line. If Boado makes both shots, this is over. But if he misses at least one, it keeps the door open here for the Chargers. Well, let's see. Free throws will be the deciding factor here. What a ball game. This is just opening day of your Pinoy Ballers SFV Crossover Cup. This is indeed a hell of a matchup as Boado makes the first basket. One more to ice the game. Unless they get a 4-point play, which is very rare, but it is a possibility. Boado misses. The door is still open. Plana tracking it down. And ball will. Let's see what will be the decisions of the referee. Oh, the door is still open, but ball. It's black ball. Tolentino, give and go to Zalun, baseline, no opening, kicks it out. Time is on their side. Zalun, and 15 seconds as Zalun taking control of the ball. One free throw to decide this ball game. But a lot of opportunities for Angels to close out this ball game. However, they are not making those free throws. Let's see if this is the final curtain call. Zalun. Zalun makes it, and with a 4-point cushion, mathematically speaking, it's still possible, but it tightens the window up. Violation, 4-point lead. Let's see if the Chargers can pull a miracle here. 4-point lead. 15 seconds left. Condi Banal. 4-3. Alex throws it. Jano Santos. Dencho Enriquez, top of the key. Too strong. 4 seconds left. Jano Santos. Still nothing. Last 2 minutes. The Chargers, a lot of opportunities, but they weren't able to knock down anything in the last 2 minutes. Well, the Angels proving that they belong to the big leagues with Robert Tolentino leading the pack, as well as the 2 crucial rebounds of Plana. No? That was just amazing. What a ball game. This is opening day of your Pinoy Ballers SFB. As we end the coverage, this is Ludwig Van Magic Man signing off. Ludwig Van Magic Man out.